Hey, it's Eric Anderson with DealerNews.com and my column Confessions of a Customer. This month, 6 words I hate. There are few phrases that are more soul-sucking to a customer in a motorcycle parts department than, "We can order it for you." To which I usually reply with a patient smile and internal screaming, "Well, so can I. How about I just give you my money and you ship it to my house while I get on with my life?" Ooh, do I sound a little cranky today? Well, yes, you bet. I'm right up there with everyone else trying to balance low bank accounts, high gas prices, tariffs, precious little time between rides, repairs, and reality. What baffles me, though, is how many parts and accessory managers still act like I'm asking them to decode alien transmissions from space when I suggest that they just ship the damn thing to me at my house. Or have it drop shipped like aftermarket distributors have been doing for years. Is there an extra fee? Okay, it saves me a second trip. Sorry, but your door swing statistics are not my worry. I am the new customer of 2025. So let me set the record straight. I do want to buy from you. Because really, I don't swing by your shop for an Instagram selfie. I come because you know something that I don't. Maybe you talked me through at one time the difference between two competing helmets, or reminded me that universal fit is a lie. Yes, it is. Don't forget that drain plug crush washer that you always remind me to buy when I'm buying oil. Thank you. That stuff is gold to me, and I want to reward you for it by buying from you. So why, after investing time and my gas money to get to your destination store, would you want to have me make the same trip again just to pick up a $9 doohickey that you could have sent to my door? Let me save you the suspense. I don't. Amazon has spoiled me, the rest of America too. And face it, cardboard boxes on my doorstep are now a way of life. You need to embrace that lifestyle too, because your customers have that option. Now, contrary to popular myth, we're not all a bunch of price shopping trolls lured away by Bob's Big Boy Barn Blowout. You might think we're trying to get techie information out of you and then go home to order it online. No, you're wrong. We just don't want to make the second trip for something that you could have done to get the sale, or maybe more, like ask for a credit card, while I was already inside your store. Most of us aren't trying to save $3.12 online. We're trying to save ourselves time, but also avoid all that vortex of online checkout fields, password resets, reCAPTCHA boxes with school bus puzzles, forgotten login emails, surprise shipping charges via Lithuania, blah, blah, blah. Plus, using a smartphone means that I have to find my glasses. I would rather have you just take care of it in one big, beautiful buy in your store now. So here's a wild idea. What if you put up a sign in your store that said, "If it's not in stock, we'll ship it to your door. You can add no extra charge or for a small fee," whatever you want to say. Is that crazy? Is it smart? Absolutely. How do you do that? Can't you simply insert a delivery address different than your store and take my money while I'm there? Walt Schmidt at Malcolm Smith Motorcycles in Riverside, California years ago turned me on to this technique. Maybe he spoiled me. But I needed an obscure rear sprocket at the time for my obscure motorcycle and my obscure personality. Walt calmly said, "We can order it for you and," pause, "have it to your doorstep by Thursday." Wow, insert heavenly choir here. I almost cried. It was like hearing a lullaby in a parts counter jungle of, "No, we ain't got it." So, in the name of sanity, here are a few ideas for 2025. For your dealership not to lose the sale and make people happier. Number 1, don't just order it, own the problem. Help me solve my problem. Number 2, service first, logistics second. In other words, make the sale. Do whatever it takes, even if it's not in stock. Get my credit card. Figure out how to get it to me later. Number 3, get comfortable shipping out the back door. I mean, you're already cross-docking stuff, so why not to your customers? Number 4, remind us that you're better than we are at this. You are a parts order sniper. I am a toddler with an iPad when it comes to ordering parts. An exploded view diagram confuses me. Help me out. And number 5, finally, advertise the perks. Tech support, you guys know. Fitment guarantee, you know what I fit. And third, easy returns. That's why I'd much rather do business with you. So thank you, Walt, at Malcolm Smith Riverside many years ago for your clarity, your kindness, and your UPS tracking number. Very cool. Thank you. And read the full article at dealernews.com. Bye.